my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. I'm gonna be showing you 3 easy different ways to fill your brows. So without any further ado and further intro, let's move on to the video. Starting off with this Maybelline Nudes palette, eyeshadow palette. So I will be taking this black shade from this palette and I will be filling my brows with the help of this brush. Let me pull you guys a little bit closer so that everything is clearly visible to you. And next I'm gonna be taking little bit of product on my brush and I will be just removing off the excess, and I will be taking a mirror and then I will be just filling my brows. I know my brows are fuller, but you know who doesn't love fuller brows. So I will be drawing the line from the bottom like so, and I will be filling the gaps in between, and I will be repeating the same above on the upper line. We only have to draw the bottom and the upper line and not the excess. So yes, this is what it looks from far. This is the look. And if you think that you have any fallouts, what you can do is you can use a brush and a concealer and just remove off the dust, and just that's a look with the help of an eyeshadow. Next I will be filling my brows with the help of an eyebrow pencil, and yes, I will be pulling a little bit closer so that everything is clearly visible to you. And I will be taking a mirror and I will be just filling my brows. The same thing you have to repeat is that you have to draw a line in the bottom and a line above, and with the light hand you have to fill in the gaps. And with the help of a spoolie you have to brush off so that it looks smooth enough. And if you think that there is a fallout, you can use the same technique. You can use a concealer and a brush to remove of the dust or the excess. This is what it looks like when you do it with an eyebrow pencil. Lastly, I will be showing you guys with the help of a kajal. Yes, a kajal. You can fill your brows with a kajal too. So again, I will be pulling you a little bit closer so that everything is clearly visible to you. And yes, I will be taking the kajal and a mirror, of course, and I will be filling the gaps of my eyebrow, and I will be drawing a line between on the bottom and on the above with a light hand, and I will be filling my gaps like so. And I will be taking a spoolie and I will be brushing. So this is what it looks like when you fill your brows with a kajal. But it's okay if you don't have eyebrow pencil, you can switch on to your kajal and use it and just give a fuller effect to your brows. And I know that it doesn't gives a natural look, but it's okay, you can manage it though. So yes guys, these were my 3 easy eyebrow filling ways which I do, and I hope you guys liked it. And please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos and tutorials. So see you on my next video. Till then, bye.